iCarsoft CR Max P. On this Nissan Micra 0.9 litre, we've got the engine management light on, traction light and everything. I'm going to turn it off. There is a bit of lacking in power. In your case it may not, it may be. I'm going to go through this fault code so you can see where the sensor is, what to look for. The fault code we have has been P012A TC pressure sensor and P0095 air temperature sensor. I'm going to show you exactly where this fault code sensor is and what you need to look out for. So on this engine, it would be, if you ask me, literally down here. This sensor, this one. Let me just give it a clean so you can find the part number. There you are. So it's the Bosch 17026 1E070281. That's that long one further down, 0281 is your part number. So they could go faulty. I mean, you can certainly, again, like we've done. So if we do view data, so we're going to find out, and engine management, I'm going to put air temperature. So here we've got 5 volt. Look. And if we were to plug things in, it should show us 2, not 5. 5 is well out, so you can clearly see that things weren't right. But obviously everything's fixed in this sense. Before, in the past, it was showing us 5, and that was due to a wiring break in this here. So in your case, before you start doing anything, check the wiring there. I know my video isn't the best, sorry. It's a bit of a dull one, but yeah, check that wiring there, see if it's good, which it wasn't on in this case, and it was the wiring giving us this, giving us them fault codes on the screen, on the cluster. Managed to fix it and plug it in, done. But obviously that was the way we found out. We wasn't really sure if it was the actual sensor, but it turns out there is not enough voltage going. And if we plug it in, we get 2 volts, nice flow. I'm using the iCarsoft CR Max P, obviously, to do these live data. Quite a brilliant piece of kit. And if it was to go back on, these guys read fault code, so it should be past now rather than current. And if we do fault code, erase, so you can see no fault codes. In your case, if you're getting that and the sensor's fine, as in like the end cable that plugs in, that's fine, you're getting voltage. It's literally that bolt there that you take off, and then literally put the new one in, and you're done and dusted. And if you have a machine, I do recommend you need a machine, obviously, to reset it and for them fault codes to go.